going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just a short little video about a couple of small little jobs I want to knock out on the car. Just a couple little quick things in the engine bay, so I decided I'd make a little short video about it, and here we go. So the plan was originally to run an electric fan for cooling. There's my pressure switch, or my temperature switch, and the cold air intake. But for the purpose of getting the car running and everything, we're gonna ditch this and we're just gonna go back to a clutch fan and shroud and a factory intake. Okay, so we got the shroud in, the air box, and the new hose. It came with the this piece down here. I can't remember what it's called, so I had to plug that in. My bolts for it are soaking in one of these rust remover cups. I don't know exactly which one, but I have them all labeled underneath. So all we have left to do, clutch fan, oil, order a new air filter, put that on, and then this part of the job is done. All right, so the job is done. I gotta get a new filter. Clutch fan's in there. It's kind of dark, hard to see. In order to get it in there, I had to use this old little strap wrench to hold the water pump pulley, so I could tighten those 10 mils up real nice. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that quick little video on me just swapping some parts over, get it ready for the show that's at the end of May that I really want to go to. It's called Across the Borders, and it's being held at TMP in Toronto Motorsports Park in Cayuga, and I'm hoping to have the car done so that I can make it there. Getting stalled up here and there, brake line fittings not working, and all kinds of stuff. So hopefully I can have it done. I hope you guys stick around and enjoy this process of getting the car ready for the summer. And if you liked what you saw, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're up to date on when I upload new videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, see ya.